What's up? In the next couple videos I'm going to redo my trailer. This is the trailer for my catamaran sailboat. I'm going to try to clean it up and paint it as cheaply as possible. So if you'd like to follow along, hit the subscribe button and the notifications, and you can see how I do it, and we'll work our way through it. This is the trailer for my catamaran sailboat, and I'm almost finished the sailboat, and I'd like to put the mast up, and I found out that some knucklehead set that boat right underneath of a tree. So I can't set the mast up until I get it out of there, and I can't get it out of there without the trailer being finished. So I'm going to take a look at this trailer and see what's wrong with it and what it needs, and get this thing painted and fixed up. As you can see, it's pretty rusty, and I'm trying to get a plan of action. And right now what my idea is going to be is I'm going to tear it into basically four parts. First, I'm going to take the tongue off. It's a pivoting trailer that tipped the boat into the water on a ramp, so it's only one bolt holding the tongue, the whole length of the tongue in. So I'm going to take that off. Then I'm going to take the four wings off. These wings basically fold down so that when you set the catamaran up, you can set up it's 10 feet wide, too long to go on the highway, so it folds in half. So I'm going to take the four wings off. And then my idea is to take the tires off and take the tire assembly, axle assembly off, and then work on those. I'm going to try to do it as cheaply as possible. One of the problems is going to be getting the tires off. If I can't get the tires off, I'm going to have to buy a new axle, and that's going to run a couple $100. And they're pretty rusty. The tire assembly is mounted by 4 bolts, and I'm hoping to just take that whole assembly off in one piece and clean it up. A couple problems with the trailer. It didn't have any place to drain, and it rusted out pretty good right where these two pieces connect in the back, and also it rusted a little bit in the front. But I've got an idea to fix that pretty easily. It has a couple of these posts. I don't know what they're for. I was going to cut them off, but I better wait and see what the heck they're for. Then on the tongue assembly, the hitch is welded on, and that's bad. It has a piece to disconnect the tipping portion there, and that doesn't look good. But also this is welded on, the hitch is welded on, and it's shot, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that. So that's my plan of action. Let's get to work. First thing I'm going to do is load everything up with this WD-40 Rust Release Penetrant Spray. You ask me if that's the best stuff there is. I don't know. It's just what Harbor Freight had. So I'm just going to spray everything up best I can. Let it set, and we'll put a wrench to it. Alright, 2.5 hours later, 1 can of that penetrating oil, 2 abrasive discs, and we got it down to workable pieces. That's going to do it on this for today. I got some other stuff to do. Next time we'll start digging into it.